Alright, Doug, give us some advice when reeling in a big Lake Erie walleye.
Alright, you just want to do nice and steady. Don't pull it, don't horse it. Steady winding. When you get that board off, the fish comes to the top of the water, stick the rod tip down. Don't let him come out of the water or he will get off.
And when you're taking the board off, don't let any slack get in the line.
That's right.
That's when you lose them.
Don't jerk it nice and smooth.
Keep that hook nice and set.
Keep that line tight. Pull it off. Line back down. Just like that.
And then show us how you're baiting these suckers up.
Alright.
That's probably the most important part.
I usually go for the biggest, juiciest lake crawlers I can find. That's why my side always catches more fish. There's that big, chubby one. Right through the head, sideways. Just like that. And the next one I always put in that little meat ring there. Put her in upside down. Right at the bottom. Give her a little hook. In line. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Send her out.
Juice.
One of the other most important things in trolling crawler harnesses with weights is the speed. Very speed sensitive.
I'm gonna be going 1 to 1.3, 1.4 miles per hour, otherwise you're gonna mess them up.